Hi, myself Rahul from Query.com, and in this video I'm going to help you to activate the dark mode in WhatsApp. To activate WhatsApp dark mode in Android, simply open your WhatsApp, choose the more option from the top right corner, choose setting, then select chats, then tap on theme and choose dark. This will activate dark mode for WhatsApp. The same steps will also be applied for the iOS devices to enable dark mode. If your smartphone has system-wide dark mode option, then you just need to go to your phone setting to apply system-wide dark mode, which will automatically change the WhatsApp interface to dark. How to enable system-wide dark mode in iOS? Go to your phone setting, choose display and brightness, choose appearance, then select dark. It will apply the system-wide dark mode, so you are not required to do any changes to your WhatsApp to enable the dark mode.